Let's talk about summer. Summer days are long and the sun is bright. In summer, the temperature is very high. It is often above 30 degrees Celsius. The sky is usually blue and clear. The sun shines from early morning until late in the evening. People wear light clothes to stay cool. T-shirts, shorts, and sandals are popular. In Japan, summer starts with the rainy season in June. It is a hot, wet, and humid time. After the rainy season, July and August are very hot. Many people go to the beach or the mountains. Summer in Japan is famous for festivals. People wear yukata and watch fireworks and enjoy food at outdoor stalls. Fireworks shows are a big part of summer. Many people gather along rivers to watch them at night. Japanese children have a long summer holiday. It usually starts in late July and ends in late August. Shaved ice, called kakigori, is a popular summer treat. It comes in many flavors. Cicadas, called simi in Japanese, sing loudly in summer. Their sounds tell you that summer has arrived. It is important to drink water often in summer. The heat can make you tired very quickly. Many homes and offices use air conditioning in summer. It helps people stay cool indoors. Summer is a bright and lively season. It is a time for festivals, cool drinks, and warm evenings.